Now, if you're selling on Amazon, or if you're going to be selling on Amazon, there's a very good tool, industry standard tool, Jungle Scout. It is a kind of a keyword research tool and a revenue estimator. For example, you might tell it, hey, I want to be in a niche that sells grout cleaning products for the home. And it will tell you, hey, you're going to make like $20,000 if you're the first one. That's the revenue that's generated by the first product. Now, you can't know that outside of this tool. You can only kind of estimate or guesstimate. And I'll show you how to guesstimate. But essentially, this is the standard tool that has a little bit more better guesstimation, you can say. And it's not free, unfortunately. And it's not all that incredibly cheap, although it's not expensive either. So you can see products. If I click on the web app, for example, the products, and you have to scroll all the way down to their product page, and we'll do that now, and you'll see that they are going to charge like $49 a month, which is not the most pleasant of fees. It would be better if it was $19.99 or something like that. But it's one of those things that if this can tell you, hey, this is lucrative, don't waste your time, or try this instead of that, and you can make thousands of dollars more later from the advice this gave you, then of course it's very well worth it. And you don't have to stay with this forever. Just do your keyword research and then get rid of the account. So in the end, it's not that terribly expensive, and it's one of those things that if you do good research and the foundation, the planning for your product, I mean, it's going to turn into a lot more revenue and a lot less wasted time. So this is a very good investment if you're just getting into the product. I do recommend it. You don't have to have it. It's recommended, not required, because you can always use the Google keyword tool or whatever keyword tool you're comfortable with, and just kind of project and extrapolate what a search might be on Google, what it might be on Amazon. Of course, keep in mind, people search differently on Google and Amazon, but largely it has a lot of similar overlap, and that's why the Google keyword tool will still be totally okay, even if you don't have Jungle Scout. But if you can, definitely get it.